Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate ticket actions in Hubspot and manage ticket statuses more efficiently using automation. If you've ever wished for a seamless way to handle ticket workflows and save valuable time, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. In your Hubspot account, click on the settings icon in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar, go to Objects, then select Tickets. Next, navigate to the Pipelines tab. From the Select a Pipeline drop-down menu, choose the ticket pipeline you want to automate. Click on the Automate tab to access ticket automation settings. Here, you can update ticket statuses automatically based on triggers such as customer emails or replies. You can also uncheck triggers to disable them. To edit actions, hover over an action and select Edit Action. Choose a status from the drop-down menu and click Save. To edit an action, select Edit, update the information, and click Save. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.